us a story.
Yeah.
Well, I have got one, but you guys are a bit young.
Too young.
Okay, fine. So it all started with my younger sister.
Hey Kiara, come and play.
And we were playing a game, hide and seek.
Hey Hollis! Hey Hollis! Hide and seek! Hide and seek! It's time! Hide and seek! You meant to play the wall. Okay, let's just play Marco Polo. No! Hide and seek! Okay, fine, hide and seek. Okay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kiara, come out wherever you are, or someone's gonna find you. Cloudy flash. Got you.
I wasn't even playing. Oh wait, I'm playing hide and seek.
Okay, well Mum needs us home for dinner soon, so...
Hey, where's Kiara? Kiara, where are you?
Got you, and got you. Yes, Kiara's won.
Bet she's lost. Bet she's not even at the beach, probably at the park.
I've looked everywhere, all over the beach, and I can't find Kiara. Where did you last see her?
I don't know, she ran away with the rest of us.
I want to go home. It's not about you. Your friend's missing. She cares about other people.
Maybe we should. Did she want to play hide and seek?
Yeah, it's partially her idea.
Maybe you should try and go away. Yeah.
No, we should keep on looking.
Yeah, because what if she's actually at the beach?
But we can't just do it ourselves. I've looked everywhere.
We need to get some adults, guys.
Then we never found her again. Good.